Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I used an amazing tool called Adobe Firefly to generate realistic and artistic images from natural language inputs. You can sign up to use it for free using the link given in the description below. You won't believe what this tool can do with just a few words. Stay tuned and let's get started. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, so that it inspires me to create more awesome content for you in the future. You'll love what I have in store for you. Prompt 1. A surreal landscape with floating islands, waterfalls, and rainbows. Prompt 2. A futuristic city with flying cars, skyscrapers, and holograms. Prompt 3. A portrait of a famous person with a twist, such as Albert Einstein with a mohawk or Mona Lisa with a smile. Prompt 4. A collage of different animals combined into one, such as a lion with wings or a shark with legs. Prompt 5. A scene from a popular movie or book, such as Harry Potter fighting Voldemort or Frodo reaching Mount Doom. Prompt 6. A realistic painting of a historical event, such as the moon landing or the French Revolution. Prompt 7. A psychedelic image with vivid colors, shapes, and patterns. Prompt 8. A cute and funny cartoon of a character or an object, such as a baby dinosaur or a talking pizza. Prompt 9. A beautiful illustration of a fantasy or sci-fi concept, such as a dragon or a spaceship. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to catch all my awesome videos. You'll love what I have in store for you. I'll see you in the next video.